si whaero fua o ngā mene lea o ngā tō o ro ngā lua whaweitemi I lalo o po kalame RSE I New Zealand. Ia mele SWP Australia o manuia o tō whai. O le lua se fuwai nei o tausanga o po kalame New Zealand. Ai ono tausanga I Australia. Ma ua mai tawina le tele mo le ananoi o whamiana a lato o a waile ni po kalame. Ona o le manu I tātou tei o le a o tō toi whapea mo mua e tolu se lau sfurwhaia I a lato sa ngāru I New Zealand. Wha se lau ono tasi sa ngāru I Australia. Ia a whaopopo o fix lau fituri. Ka whai o lato malanga tu whafofo I le whata lewa o la iatu. Atu whaatasi tupe lafo, ma tupe no mai malato, mai New Zealand, Australia. Wa mau ai se au whainga e wha se fulmono miliona tā nasa mo. O se sao mawa e lea, al tatu ainga I le tama ainga I Samoa. Amalo. Ia po le onsu wafel tangatai e kotas I tatu pokana. A whatusa le tongi al tangata whaingaruene Samoa o lo ana maua le 5 tāla I le tura. Ia po le se fuwafe whasalau I le tausanga. E tusa ma le 5 tesi fitu tausanga. O tuli ai e le tangata whaingaruene Samoa. Le tupe e te maua I le RSE ma le SWP I nao ni masina se mali. Ona e uti amanoa, o whai ai ni whatu takuraa. O e o, ia mai e fo e whiao, I whafu. Ia whai se manga ko se nisi e tua I ai le ainga, ao e to sea. E whai fo I sau savings o sau whatu ngā tupe. O ao e I whafu, e le la loi so mai lima se lau, tā ngā misina I o Australia fo. E tua I ai, a ieni whale tonu. E whanga te tau le tupe, e tu e fwoi mai maoe. E whai asi singa fwoi o komiti, e mai tau ina ai, o e whatino fwoi whanga o ka e whaia. E te malanga I whafu. Maro wangi o pulea, ma le whai ainga le dei, o lo whai nu le dei, I se mori mautus tu sia fwoi, e a mai le pulinu, o lo e a lalai. E te tino malosi e te ngawhati ai le ngā ruenga tau apu. E mai si ngā ruenga whai whatoanga, e le whai mowhia. E whatino po kalame e mau ai le rotu tasi, po kalame e rotato, ro whaia I te tono a tāpena I whafu, e mōri tino malosi, e le ngā te lei a ole, e ngāngo whetau sia, whelango mā, ma le wharoa ai. Ia tu sai mai, tu mana I masani ai tatou, I Samoa. A o maua loa lea ngana lea, ona whai ngofia lea, ona whaofi isi le sona le, ngā tina e ai le tangata, ai maise, ai le amia pulea, le roto lofa. Ia, ma whatawaina o tatou, whatawaina o tatou sisimanga. Ani pina whamaru o I lea. O mua. Ona ua a whaina tele tatou sisimanga I le kasa o ona. O wa lele, leto te whamana ngā iai. Ia, mo tōwho I mai whataura tele o tō tawa. Ia se vai o le ofi lo tō ani tō tawa. Iore. Leana, a e se tō whae le tatou komiti. Ia tatou whapaanga ma le sosa ia te o sisimanga. Ma le matanga venua puna o whanātura. Ia ma le, e mana rilea. I le tutoina leo o la au foresi tongtonina. E sosona I le sefeino le tatou sisimanga. Ma tatou sisimanga ma lea. O ova nei ma le ono afe ia la au foresi o tutoina. Ma o lātou fo ia o taulea. O lo tau sia le tātou koroka I lai tōntangi. Lua. Ai le toi fo ia tu ia lātou nei ia po o tau. I whafo. E toi whāroa fo ngā renga whawaitai. O la tātou lasi sia ia le sosaia te hoi o sufoina, SBS, o Samoa Victim Support. Le Goshen Trust, o lo ngawha le tau singo tātou uso matu whawhine. O lo iei mai mai ngā whaara ngā whauwha. Whape ngā whaun tātou asiasi atu. Mani me rofa e tele. A mesa me rofa tau tupe ma parpa ngā roa. Ia lātou ua mātutua I mapu whangarele. Le fia I ngā le roto. Ono ua la sia le tātou kon o kalame. Lea ngana ma le roto fuai. Ona o le tele whamuranga. O tau moa. O tātou moa whatasi. Mai le tū. O manura ti o le pokalame. Mua. E wha mua le atu e lea uma. O lotu I afiafi. Te ago mai anga rengo laso. Lotu I asa. O le te talo al tangata lawe. Lua. E whiriwhiria tātou tai moron komiti. O waenga taitasi. E tā ua leo le pūlema. I se whatusa lea I sau whainga o liu whai pule. Ia poni matai ko se aina. O se aina. E lātou ke whaia tono le nu. Ma wha manatu tūla whono le nu. Ma tōngi sala. I le tūla I mai o se whale tono. Tō. O le awa nōri lei lava lea sui ai le amio. Le avea ai o tō. Ia ko lātou hoi matangata. Wha moi moina I tutono ai. Nu mai e kalesia. Ia ko mai. Wha, ia whaine ati nae. E tua I ele aina. O le wha mā avenga I aina I whafo. O lo tamu tā fōi le soi fōa mai New Zealand ma Australia. O le autura. Ae awe se ia. I le o lo fiai se tu lolo. E tu mau pēr no le fiai. E a o ina le whaiwa. O le whangota. I le o lo fiai. E le to e o ia lia lea le fiai. Ai le whaia se soptala I le ngana whapertani o anga whangita ia tato maro mai whafo. E ao ona o whape atu. E le ma whaia se tōtasi po se tō lua foi. Ona whaia le tele o ngā renga le lei. Uma whaia I ona au sia le lusu tau sanga. O le tato pōkalanga. E mua la ona o whawhutei atu I le tato maro. I le lātou whakoina mālie o ngā renga whawaitengi. E tā ua iaini suia inga o lo fufuaina le tato maro. O nā ngā I rumi. Ia. Ai tā lia pēr se whailinga aro ia. Te li mō. Whaptai fo I maro o New Zealand Australia I arunoa. O lea ua I arunoa whawhenga ringa. Whapito fo I se whaptai I company o ma tātou whapaanga I le lātou whawhenga ringa ino anum whanau. I tausanga I tele. O le Johnny Appleseed, Mr. Apple, ia mo le J.R. Orchards I New Zealand. Ia po o Costa Group, Direct Personnel Marikazo I Australia. Ai whapito so whamalo. Au so whawhitai fo I lea. Lea Falealili, le iroa, o ia lea. Na mā amataina tato pokalame I le ruafe ma le wha. E ave mātou malanga. E ave mātou malanga I e le na ave mātou, na amata na ave mātou malanga. E le ruafe ma le wha. E le amataina le RSC. E muri mai le RSC. Ai anō whatu pulia whai no bera. You know what? Amata na RSC, mo New Zealand, ia ma le SWP mai Australia. na whaawawai loa le Falealili Seasonal Work Program. Morona kumiti whaafoe. Lea ue ai nei I temi hei. O sui o au se unga witi, lea e te whono le fo e whai mawhawha o tatu aso, e te whono le kumiti, le matua I a lai e sau. O lea e toki whatasi o le aso nei tawilili le iloa. O whailau tusi fo lea o le tatu pōkalani. E o romi ili o lufi tūmana. Ia kofi ia tuman wā pua, ia maleri tapu o whawhopea. Ia kasi matami Guatemala, ia malu tatu tamakai pule, ia tawai misa. I tau tia le lautou sao tau, hatasi ai ma ngā ruena lei o taitai, o vaenga taitasi. O lea, I tāua, o la ave tāua swafa, o la o tele whaimaro na Honourable Ministers, Your Excellencies, members of the clergy, distinguished guests, our many supporters, family and friends. It gives me great pleasure on behalf of the and Chair of the Pautasi Development Trust to welcome you all here today. It would take me all morning to give a detailed analysis of our journey with the seasonal work program in both New Zealand and Australia. But suffice for me to say that we have been sending people to New Zealand for the last 20 years and 6 years to the Australian SWK program. Let me summarize the highlights. This past season we have a total of 314 in New Zealand and 461 in Australia, a total of 775. And what does that look like in terms of dollars and cents? We made a calculation, a very conservative one, I might add, that our group here and those who are still in Australia have contributed 46 million in this past season. 46 million tala to the Samoan economy. Yes. And that's roughly about 60,000 tala per person that they've brought back home for the benefit of their families and their communities. Just another calculation. I was never good at mathematics, but somebody checked me out. But what is that? How are those figures arrived at? Or what does it mean? What do those figures mean? If a person here in Samoa working on 5 tala an hour and works 40 hours a week, which equates to about 10,400 a year or per annum. It would take 5.7 years for that person living here in Samoa, not part of this program, 5.7 years to earn what these young people here earn in 8 months. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the difference. And it's why this program is so very important. And why we try and stress to our family here, our seasonal workers, just how important, how to be careful with what they do with that opportunity. Work hard, behave well, and come back home with the victory of bringing that sort of money home to help their families and their communities. We have taken a holistic approach by engaging our members as if they are members of a big Samoan family with its chiefs and untitled men who serve. They adhere to the same village protocols of discipline, respect for leadership, seniority, and of course their evening prayers and attendance to church when they get the chance. And engaging with the local churches that they worship in through sports, youth activities and choirs. Our members are interviewed when they return home each year so that we can gauge their progress and that we can monitor how they use their money. Blatant abuse and irresponsible spending are grounds for being struck off the scheme for a year or two as a penalty. We promote the inclusion of family who play an important part in also understanding the goals and aspirations of the program. Our members become ambassadors of a clean environment by partnering with the Samoan Conservation Society and MNRE in the planting of native trees in the Tontoninga Reserve as their way of helping mitigate the CO2 gas emissions from the planes that they now travel on overseas each year, and the many cars that they can now afford to buy. Just look at all those cars. Yeah. And because of that, they've decided that they will each plant 12 native trees every time they come home. And they also maintain the block. If you drive through Tontoninga slowly, you will see, not too far from where the Tontoninga waterfalls are, the turn up to the falls, you will see a beautifully maintained part of the forest, of that reserve. And that is the work of these young men and women. In essence, our program is about developing our members to be better people. Disciplined, responsible, respectful, and proud of the valuable contribution that they make to the improved welfare of family, community, and Samoa. It is also about removing the indignity of being dependent on others, especially on our families overseas, who have their own challenges, because life overseas in Australia and New Zealand for our Pacific people is not easy. The key to our success is in the leadership of our groups, and we are indebted to their commitment to the basic principles of our program, be it during the season or when they return. Their duties continue as good role models for the rest to follow. Each member contributes 10 tala or $10, wherever they may be, per week from their wages in New Zealand and Australia to fund the administration of our program and the many activities that they embark on when they return each year. They have provided all the funding for this open day and this celebration. And of course, before they return to continue with their work in Australia and New Zealand, and this will be happening in the next couple of weeks, we will be visiting the Samoa Victim Support, the Goshen Trust, and the Falealili Home for the Aged, with money donations and food as a small token of their appreciation for the many blessings that they have gained from the program. Our mission: if you give someone fish, he only eats for one day. But teach him how to fish, and he will eat every day. Today, we celebrate our successes or their successes, and we thank the government of New Zealand for the RSC scheme that has brought so many blessings to our people. We thank the government of Australia for now opening its doors for our people to do seasonal work there. We are humbled by the enormous support and help that we continue to get from Mr. Apple, Johnny Appleseed and J.R. Orchards in New Zealand, the Costa Group, direct personnel, and the Rosako family in Australia. We are so grateful. Later on, we will be announcing the 3 top workers selected by each of the employer partners. And although it's close to home, but I have to acknowledge the support of Sina Lei Ruthie's Orders Spa. For without them, many, many things that they do to enable me to do this and help out wherever I can. What will not be possible. I see Sosa's here, my sister. Thank you, dear. We are indebted to the Samoa Business Hub, and I think there's some representatives here. Thank you. Who have conducted seminars with our members. To Samoa Red Cross, who have done health and safety sessions with us. Our Peru Sports, who have conducted leadership programs for our leaders. To the ANZ Bank, who have conducted financial literacy courses for us. Dr. Tanya Kotaya, and of course, Homui Lee of the Plaza Health Clinic, thank you for helping us and doing our medicals, oftentimes after normal hours, normal working hours because of tight deadlines. The police department for the timely issue of police reports. Samoa Immigration, and of course the New Zealand Immigration for quick issue of visas, but to the Samoan Immigration, we are members are forever losing their passports at the last, like before they get on the bus to go to the airport. But the Samoan Immigration have stepped in and helped us in those sort of circumstances. We also thank our liaison officers that our government have appointed in Australia and New Zealand, the marvelous work that they do. And of course the labour sending units of INSA, now the MOF, the Ministry of Finance, and the work that they do. Without the help of so many people, we could not be able to run this program tight to the level. Before I sit down, I must say that the Potasi Development Trust is committed to doing more to improve its seasonal work program by offering more training initiatives before our members depart our shores. Furthermore, programs for family members left behind are being planned, and a formal announcement and launch of these initiatives will be made soon. It is no secret now that one of these improvements is the recent launch of the Tamarix Tech Academy that is going to be placed right there in Potasi, that will cater to all ages. And what a pleasure it is to have members of the Tamarix group board here with us today. I won't mention them by name, but what a wonderful opportunity for not only our young people, but our older members as well. Of course, I want to, there are two people that I want to acknowledge because they play a big part in New Zealand for PDT, and that is Meta. She's here, but I'm not sure if Fabai, or rather Tafilelea, Famoe is, or Fabai is here, but these two work for for PDT in New Zealand, just pursuing or helping bring life and action to the Treaty of Friendship that we've signed with, or our community has signed with the Hastings Council, and also the Iwi in the Hawke's Bay. And we're grateful that there's work that's making good progress in giving those treaties some substance. And of course, for us to start reaping any benefits that are forthcoming from these treaties. To finally conclude, I want to thank our committee, our team leaders, all our members for a great season, and the many blessings that they have worked hard to deliver for themselves and their families. Later in the program, you will get to see the fruits of their labor over there. And of course, they'll be singing and dancing to demonstrate their happiness and joy for being back home. I'm so very proud of their achievements and what they have put together today. They have done everything to the minutest of detail, and all with the strict guidance of their team leaders and our great committee. Auso Mawiti, our chairman, Alain Moana Esau, Tuman Waupua, Tawiri Loa, our secretary, who, as I mentioned earlier in my someone section of my address, is the founder of my farm program. From you, Tulanga, and lastly, my dear wife Tammy, and of course Tawai, our manager, my very last thank you is to you all for coming today to join us in this celebration. And now, I'm honored, Mr. Minister, to ask you to please come forward and address this gathering. Lord Fiona, Minister.
Io nei tai au. Solo sunga te tai o Samina. Sunga le tone o Willi. E mai se sunga te akonu. A se Palongo. E ngai te langi o ato no lomi le sea. So ko fale nganga ko tasi pa mlama. A te suyo malo me fako. Te tatu paanga. Pule o company me fafu. Fama ite wani fama moe. Teo sungale. Te pule. Isama lango. Wantanga rengo fatuanga. A teo tatu tumalo. Teo la ngafa malalo nofu. Anta wanga sese a Falealili. Eo sa moa mai matafanua. Tai sama se e paia se fanua. Se le makultulo. Pata rofa ni kaya. A mai se au mahote. Lau suma toa loa. Mai se komiti. Male malosi o tato numa i tumalo. Lo fe nai muna reo whawitemi. Le whangarina tau sala Falealili. Talofa. Le tai au le mate sau e fōwhanga. Sisiriese. I ia le tua. Te ono moria ai. Le sunga le whainga wenga. Te whakitai le tai au. Kono whakipi so mātu ramona. Whakitai whamanatu wharenga. Wāli ne kai au maro wha moe. E ele tali tununga. Le a se mua I whai sitara. Le ngangana peritania. Mua tatu maru me whaku. Me whakananga, Your Excellencies. High Commissioner for New Zealand, Your Excellency Sir Mentor, High Commissioner for Australia, Your Excellency Will Robinson, and Ambassador of Japan to Samoa, Keisuke Senta, Your Excellency Ambassador of China to Samoa, Fei Nishing, overseas general managers and owners of and representatives of various entities and workplaces. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, it is with great pleasure and honor that I stand before you today as we gather to celebrate another year of success. For our Falealili seasonal work program, celebrating 20 years for supporting our families and our communities. For that reason, we are here at home to celebrate. In addition to many achievements, but we celebrate many other successful stories of raising our communities from struggles and hardship. Today, we thank the Lord as we celebrate with our church leaders, as this program has helped us serving our Lord in many ways. Today, we celebrate with our district leaders. It's another year of supporting our community and our families. We are blessed to be here today celebrating with our diplomatic corps the representation of our closest partners in our region. To the High Commissioner of Australia, High Commissioner of New Zealand, and also the Ambassador of Japan and the Ambassador of China, supporting our communities throughout our journey over the years. Ladies and gentlemen, Whawhetai Leatua for our seasonal work program leadership. Sunga Duarte Roa and his team. You know, today we celebrate the 20 years of success and the outcome of his vision and leadership. Today, Samoa through Falealili, we are fortunate to be considered as a leading program in the region. With its reputation in our region and this space, we thank our Lord for the work hardship of Tuataloa and his team. Your hard work has set a solid platform for our youth to find friendly workplaces in our neighboring markets, ensuring safety while away from home. For that, we thank the Lord for that success. Throughout the years, this program has provided resources, has provided a comprehensive roadmap to harness the power of our resources, ensuring work opportunities, and more so, economic and capacity of our communities through the friendship with our overseas farmers, businesses, and partners. On behalf of the government of Samoa and our district here in Falealili, we thank you, Australia, Your Excellency Will Robinson. We thank New Zealand for the opportunities given to our people. For those, lastly, to the government of New Zealand and Australia, we thank the support from all the businesses and farmers with their kindness, support, with all the opportunities given to our people, not only here in Falealili, but also all across Samoa. Thank you, and may the Lord bless you. For those supporters who have traveled far to be here with us today, we appreciate your work for making this world and our Samoa a better place for everyone. Tato Tumaro, Tato Boto Renita Yao, Patia, the Luas Punta Tano Marvena, that's the name of the film in Sak. I mentioned the last week. I'm not hiding out by it here. While the soul, or live on, I think for the heat, I'm a tour. Le matter go there. Le atomo le go se funto sana. Le lesi na luema fa infi. Agora emanuia. Ono le. Não taima. Emanuia Samoa mataki timaro. Manulo ti ina yesitio tu mai manafa. Tu bulana la bo. O su tato timaro. Não taima. Ina i whaongat tau tu mai, o moa mai ngā runga whawetini. O wana atina ina, o a inga i kāle sia, ai mai se sio tātou tunu. Tolu i ta pena ina, ai ni ta i rei, o tūmaro, e whiri ngā, ma ngā rue mare arofa, more ngā manui o Samoa. Mare nei, io whaonga ina roto le mou mo le tua. Não da ainda le nama fiafiana le nei aso. O tato fiafia. Whamanatu ina. Le ngata le gosi furuta sana o le talo mua. Le talo mua ve mei o le whamoe moenga o le serenga. Whato auto le whaola. Mei o le lulu. Maloi mata e sere ma le fiafia. Le aso. Ma le talo mua. Le ngata le whainga inga ngā ruenga o whai o serenga. Ai mai se o le wha moe moe o le tole whaola lai. O le ngā rue inga o whatoanga. Whaonga ina ai te mao a inga o mau. Te mao a inga i ngā ruenga whawai taimi. A lofa mai ai isi o tātou. Ka ngata o le fua whanga a le. O taru mua o sa manota aua e vema uana. Whaamaru sia ai o sui fua ngā rue o whanau. Le tamau a inga e ao na tuto, e ao na tapue, e ao na tatalo i whaola ola, mo le manuia o le mana. Nei ata e ao, tātou patipatia ngā ruenga, o le lua se furu tau sama, o tau na langa ni matiwa. Le nei, o manuia, whaakitai, i lau sunga le tua tangloa toa e mi teo, malapo witi. Whaakitai, te pula mamaru a limo whai fulu. Ai mai se, whaafitai company aro rofa mai. Nei, tātou whaafitaia, te tāpua inga i tū maro. Sunga i whaafenga inga, whai pule. Ai mai se le pule mamaru a limo whai. E nane, mātua, taitua rua ma whanau. Sa tāpua ia o tō whaipa, au tō e sea. Nei aso, tātou whaakitai le tua, mō tōu, o aro ma whanau, o Samoa. Hera e tata, o se tongi le tapi, o se tongi le seuna langa tila, o lele o whakuna o le toa lima, mā rō whai o le whaipa. O lele o manuia Samoa, i lau tō ngā rō ma whai, whaakitai. O le te tālo, tau me muli le rofo le atua ia Samoa. Le iaso, mora fufuanga, ia te au le hapu tele. Tala alo iai, te taro mua, a le Falealili Seasonal Work Program, mare ngā wharo.
patele na ole sauanga matonapie na pionga ile minister na pionga ya tolupe tu sai foi o fa mo le yaso dia talwai ona e
lo pionga ile te kite o pa u e ya tala na fa na lo le pionga minister Lango olutanga wenga ufaitoanga wa tawa ina foi de mea rofa malo tawale matanga no faitoanga awale fa mo mo le neaso ni ma fitara na ngafara
Mas pat jelen na tato hey hey wa ya talwai ono lewa natua ma ua uma ma fonga I sauanga le nei taiao yo le so wa to ia le lua skulu tausanga le aso foi le nei o le aso whanau o le nei polo kalame mai lava le ua iaso ma le ua tausanga ke ia ulia mai le nei aso yo le wa to ia ilo na lua skulu tausanga sila mai yo le tape na ina le keke e lua skulu afe o na fonga vale ia o whailonga io si polo kalame aduanu iluma solo manuia ona fa manuianga mai le atua mai uia o le nei fo moe ana le au le atua ta to telepe nei le nei aso. So I would like to invite all of us who are here today to please be upstanding while we are singing our happy birthday song. Today marks 20 years since this program started. You have heard that we have so many successful achievements. It's all because of God. Wala watu manfaalo ila suman fatamaloa fatama tato por kalame mai se foi ila wafionga Falealili ia ina ua ia sa ina mai le ngasuo le nei por kalame mai lava ilo na ua yaso se ia uia mai le nei tula ina ua io le atumina ia ile faaloalo ia wale tipina o le tato keke e a mai al tato pesi Bumba! Wewe! Talu mai! Ia wala awa tulo el tatou au ngā sese ia o le taimi nei o tatou a ngā solo mai loa e tau aoina mai o le tatou mālu o le tai au le toi titi au whaatasi ma le lunch Ia le taimi le tuatu ai ma le whaloalo le avanoa taua i le whaai le malo le malo ia mo le whaafiafianga o tāpenaina a wā lava le luas fulu tausanga. Ia, a o tāpena le tātou mālua le taeao, e mai se foi o le lufi-lufina o le tātou keke, lea foi watatala le avanoa, alaua toi ma le whaaloalo ia o musunga i whawhengainga taunani, ia mai se o la musunga le minista, mai se foi o le minista lango-lango, e mai se o le paia ma le mamalu o tātou a fia poto-poto, ia ia ngai mai loa se sila-sila, i fua foi o whaele leanga, ia o tāpena ina le tātou, a luenga whawaitaimi. Next on our program, while our morning tea is served, it will be the inspection of our display here on my right. So not only you can come to have a look, but make sure you have to buy some. If you are not going to buy some, that means you are not going to eat. You are not here with us today. Ia o tauanga se fulu lima tala le fusi i tauanga e tolu se fulu o lo le fusi e tas le si foi tu o lo iaia tatou la e o lo me tau lima ia a tau e so la e ia e pini ai foi le iaso ma le whamoe moe lo maua foi a tatou la auto to a mata mo pi ai ma ota malawa le ngata foi lea tatou ena o so sisi o vai fale na tua wa ngase o mo wa tatou na o so i fa mai mo foi tatou a koesi i le tau e luas fulu le a koesi mo o le niu ma le ato koko e tolu fulu tala lima tala i tanga Israel lima tala le fala aina ia fala au ia wa lomo ina mai so fu mano loina ke ai toto ma walunga ma suka ana ima loa le Teresa ma loa te we mesia lo laki ai ole ona o loa e fatau ke ana me te tutu se ni hata tata Ya, ele tua ina tua, ai no do mu no to. Ya se fa ma na ta musika. Vai que lá no mo sa ta no tama. Ya, se ya tu sai por na lo ina yo na lo musika. Dai lo mai nem ai.
Vale de fito tau sanga taruno o na luer po kalami.
Se fez tala pole no meu tau sanga meu a que se fez po kalami.
Dale fa facile fa meu.
Se fez tala tu se.
Oi. Ya.
Fito tau sanga.
Ya va taida va mura mando. Eu te dole ni cha ya o ya fo ya o fai ma masui fo ya ma toda un alui. Ya fo isi fa matalanga ya. Ele umi fo isi fa matalanga. Ai lenga te fo ya. Tu sei fo ma fo yo un alui ngor o ma tu alui nei ni usila. Pio dala fo ile mar fa mo o tu ina mai te matu. A ware te me mo te tu se atu e matu aringa. Pera ona ia fo fa ile leanga nei. Ya awana I nisi fo ora ingor o fiangai mala cho o no fo ya me ne ma te fai ya ma te fai malanga tu ngarenga fo vai te ya ma te tadi ma ya o mena ni yo tadi o ma tu ngarenga ni yo ma tu nga ya tu ya tu ma
Fitu tau sanga o é possível ale te fitu
ya fitu tau sanga
esse mena la te lenga le
ya esse mai
wani kaman ya o e mo ai
ya tai de mor fa sidi te doere tu po malaere nei vanga ya nei tapo nei tulanga pe
ya dia sa to na
te do wa te le no mangero ai wa fa pena na fa ya fa isi wenga pena na fa isi fale mo ainga ya a se ta vale fo mo fa te wa mo sio ainga mo terminate pe la na wa la yo na o umina nei pokala wa ye fo na o vanga ta o tono le ainga Yona ye ta vale ya wo ye foi mar fale wo uma ona fai ya se yo o me la vertemine ya la foi ya wo ye ni si nga lwenga le wa mato na fa solo le mafaufa ya nga ya tu mo de fainga mo se temi yo luma ya ma no fa la lava ya o te do le u tau si dia le mo wa u nga lwenga ole avea leo se lu tau mo tai tai fa maru si au le mo nisi o uso ma olo mo mia olo na me so swani tonu ainga e ala le ya le lima vai mo tala se ling ya ai mana o mia so swani ona e va ai alo fai matua e ai se me tua ya pe le nganga le o le nga fo ile mo kalambendi ya mo le ngalu ina tonu ngalwenga fa vai tai ya o pe ona I po kalambe la itia o ngalwenga fa vai tai mia ya o mo ne se le ni ya wa fo ile so swani tonu ainga ya pe ale fa ngalwenga nei nei sam ya apio la vangoa le o fai malanga tu ya tunumba ya langa e fai sina vala o tutongi ya pe ma fuanga le ya lu tau fo ile mo wa mo nisi fo ya uso mo e o la to o fai malanga mai mo ni po kalambe ya sai ba
Oleh maya yang sisinga o tātou talua ia malaau atu ia australia a pena maior ia autor de sarà tātou parquesiana
Ngai kalo ye makro ai wa gana na.
Mai anoi tatou. Pasosoi no tatou mai hua te hao. Ia, no poia poia.
Kamero ko mai akora le.
Yo ta pena mai do le tatou vai na Australia. Yo to le la tal mai. Ia, tu sai ko tatou pa piana le aso.
O wa alu wa ko.
Australia kasi, Australia lua. Tawon ta pena mai tatou mai.
Kalau makuau, angori.
Aku manu ke temi. Wa ke tena foi le la. Lupi pa mole Mai le lua Falatina, le fatau e seina ta fale lua. Oia. Australia tasi, Australia lua, Australia tolu. Patawa na seki ka kou lungal malai, ia wal tatou whawhiawhianga a mata, ai wala awa tu foi ka kou au sir, o tau foi ta pena mai mal tau mapatanga o leo oli, ia pe aptu e wala awatu. Bawa tau talo lua 10, bawa le ato koko tolu 10, bawa le koko malu 10 tala, bawa le esi lusie lua 10 tala, le esi mai Israel. Fue el lugar man. Te mais patela na mole, papia pianga matango fiale, paile malo malo, matango fiina atile tato fa mo mo ne aso. Australia so atu Paolo te o wala watu to te tu mele pa pena amol mole mas pat chelen na yo na wa fai o mai fa fianga mata ngofie amalu malo ya wale fa mata ngofie no tato waso ya alo mali e pea le talingo le malu tayao il paia le vala ulia ya mai se foi le malu sa mo poto Australia to 5 minute tawal sauni fa longo mai nei la time te vala awa tuai yo time na tato la ngaulele no foi ya no fo le vala ulia ya usai me tatou koe kolwa minute ya ala watu tatou au se pa mole stand by lon tatou tau makango le oli ya alo tala pe tatou maketi ya wa ya fatawa wa porta pena toi mo le sapati le momo ala watu le chess pot poto tu la lo taliele tu ato tato ofisa Aftai tele atu ile ntanga wenga o leo a mesion faili matango fie mato manatu wa o to sing le fale wa so mo le mangwe le so ya ala ita penanga matango fie pe na yai ya leo wa ta penai na poi ya se fa lo alo tawa na fai tawa na ile ya so man fa mo noi mato manatu manu ye tele to tele watu ya wa fa wa wino fe au na wenga le ya so man wi le tua ya le fa ta pena male tau te utusi ya le na fa ta pasi fa si utunga ta ya wa foi se vai malu le fiapi ya mai anga wenga le yaso a fa le lava ya fa lava atu le tua alo mo pe ata to me mata se tau fa u tele le te wa e te sa mo ane ya wat white ai alu ai sula tau talo ye to foi mai e longo mai ya pa matala mai fo linga tangata na batu e tau talo ai ai tel to lunga talo fa tawina ile so talo lava mai ele Falealili o le me ngata ai o le ale mea lei se ma salo ke ai nei e to e tau sami foi taiao watu ya Australia umai e ka ape mai lalo i se ia ngai mo mai tua i fa ma popol tatou fa fianga Australia le ta ape solo mai ka maneia na launga tatou to i na le ma popol tatou por kalame ya le foi wa matan ta itasi ma ta ape atu a fai te le isiva o le fatu ai o mea lea i o le avanone te sau whai i ai ave lau langolango i ai la tau o le a whaatino ina wha moe moe. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now coming to our entertainment. And the first entertainment will be performed by the group of young women and men who are working in Australia. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. There's no need for you to present any money. Just enjoy watching.
Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. Australia, are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Hey, hey, hey. What's your fancy? Hey, hey, hey. Oh, hey, oh. Allo, allo, mali, ba. Allo, allo, mali.
Pese mai tātou nei tua. Te pati mai leo fia. Te pati tasi leo fia. Ale pati ale se vinga tatou tau maftanga le auli. Te pati mai leo fia al whakapoleni la nume mata. Na foi na fatalitali me ale fai potu. Ia ele to ia lava o ai lava e angalelei ia loa manol tatou ka peka me mata ia wal fa mo o le nei aso. Tôi còn không là bắt tay lắm con chúng tôi còn gặp ít không. Kai soalo, alanga mau mai lava tele te akai. Mas suai pa alanga mai sini jamat. Mana mia le tu na oi a soalo. Hey, hey! Kei pat mai le afia fa molmole o le fafiafiaga matagofia Australia ia o loa avanoa foi le auaunaga le tatou faletupe o le National Bank i le itu atu lai o ai lava o fiatala sa tupe pe teu pe fai se nonoga tupe i o le ualogo mai au ua tatala au mai au aunaga mo lenei aso tusi tupe fou tupe faaitalafu tupe nono ia o le u faatali mai le auaunaga a le National Bank.
Hey, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh.
Jangan faktor mohali. Ia ali e pasau sau e ai foi e hofu ya mikia. Na ua na tu papel dia o ali sa. Dop dop. For your information, ladies and gentlemen, those men who are wearing white t-shirts are called Wonder Women. Aftai dah ngalai, aftai dah maaf, paman muya dah tuan kuat. Teko pati mai le afia mo le whawhiawhianga mātango pie. Yeah, and that concludes the entertainment done by the Australian workers. Getting ready to perform is the group of young men who are working for the Mr. Apple group in New Zealand. All of them are Regionese and all of them are single. Ia mo sila fia la fia, o tato au fa fia la wanga mai. Sai yo la fa fia le. Wa nga foyo tama, ya mai se foyo au manga ia lo nga lulu e mo le company ma lo se le Mr. Apple in New Zealand. Mr. Apple, ia fasilisi foi tulanga tato maketi, yo le tato aito nu ia tulanga tawia. O ia, o ula, o paa, o fee, so se fingota le sami, ia leo to aito nu tato maketi, o le a mea leo le faiva, ia fai ela fuafuanga, awale la fua mai, ai fatau waise me fai el to na ila sa, oso Mr. Apple.
Hey! Back down! Come on! Hey! Ho! Ho!
Patimai. Ya, malawa tulo tato au fafia muli. Paenga le Johnny Apple Seed. Ya ngai mai lo mo tato fafia. Apple Seed Company. Wala awa tu mafo I tato au le siva e ngai mai tonu ia pati mapo fa mata ngofia tato fa fianga. Samoa let's Sophie, Samoa let's Sophie, just so.
Samoa let's Sophie, ne malo na tumai le langi, tatalo pata sile pai a Samoa, ia inga manai matua. Awe uso e seitula imai, o te saili masotai, o te mawhai lea umalama, o lea tuala umalo silanga. Ai usimai ala sila sila, no tani e pasina papia, o rota malo si ua atoa, o te tautu ai, mo Samoa.
Pati mai na pia, I want to see all our pati mai. Kaptai buat, kaptai yang lek, yang lihat dia tua. Kaptai buat. Kaptai buat, yang lek, yang berlalu yang laut nan. Hey, tolu mete tolu hoi. Hey, tianga matango fia le na le vaenga le Johnny. Ia. Ole. Ai watu ai foi le lato fa fia tianga le nei vaenga le aso. Ia, mala awa tulo le tato Pol Kalame, Australia ma New Zealand. E ngai mai loa i lumanei. Ia walfa mai e ina le tato fa fia tianga. To conclude our entertainment for today, all the three groups will be joining together to sing and to perform for you a Samoan traditional song. So hope you enjoy the words. Walawa tulo man fa'aloalo tatou au ngāsese a whai wa ready tatou. Ia, taimi nei wa tau ana tau awina le tatou tau mautanga o le auli. Ia o le fau o tatou lata le si ui o le tatou whamoe. Tei whaali mai fia pati. So mai tonu, ale a fai na lo sau tatu wa nga pese, so mai tonu.
Manatu walele wa maea tapena panu patum na langyo malo fielo tatawaso. Au leo la mato pesatu. Awal famo moyo in the yaso. Our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen who are here today to witness this special event. On behalf of the Director of Potasi Development Trust Program, Honorable Tuatangaloa Joanne Ndeo and his lady, committee, and all the members of PDT Seasonal Work Program, we would like to say Ta'alofa Falama and welcome to the celebration of 20 years anniversary of PDT family. We will be performing one of Samoa's most important heritage called traditional Samoan song. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Papafonga mai lava. Go!
e pati mai le au fia, pati mai. Palonga se bluma i ya uma po tato waso.
Ai mai so sa ma no foi le dei molia twal ma to nga fa tai. Le sa to ma lo. Ai mai so fa tai ainga. No. Ma kalesia. I alom fa no sa ili ava no ma yo sila fa fo. Thank you very much for loving and having us, for the chances that you've been given to come abroad, work, and to provide for our family. God bless. Here is our song for you.
It's a privilege.
se whafo.
Ia, o le asoso o ilo el tatou porkalame, natu ele o te umi lava tatou taimi, leo tatou o atu i le vaenga o tufa ngā whailonga, ia pei whai o na silafia i talo mua te tasi, ia o le whai sa ngawha le vaenga o le ofisa o whatuanga, ma whai ngā whaiva, ia ma le asi singa o le tatou tauwanga le nei aso, ia ele ngata whai lea, ia o nisi whai o whailonga, ma mea alofa, ia wa au iai company e pe ona ngalulu e ai al tatou porkalame ia tunu e mamao ia wa lava ia le sanga whawheteia o le ngaluenga ia male au nanga o lo ngafa ma uso matua whawhine i o lo au tova atu mo ngaluenga whawhaitemi. Next on our program will be the prize giving and special awards.
Places we came to employ workers. We employ 850 Samoan workers all up, and from Falealili we're over 120. And our relationship here is critically important. So I'm here just to thank those workers and the commitment they've made to be away from their families for so long. It shows real courage and bravery. And it is a sacrifice, and we have many workers coming since 2007 and the scheme started. So this is about showing our respect and honouring those workers and their families for the sacrifices they've made to come and work for this rapper. And for us, it's the RSC scheme, our partnership here with Samoa and Falealili is critical to the success of our business.
How many are working at the company now?
We have, this year we will have over 1,400 RSC workers from 6 of the 9 countries in the Pacific. Samoa is the largest number at 850. I think we might be the largest employer of Samoans in the scheme. And from Falealili we've got 125. We're mainly men, and we mainly have men. We have a few women, but it's mainly men in those numbers.
What are your thoughts today? I mean, what you've seen today at Motasi?
Well, it's a wonderful celebration of 20 years. When we first started employing from Samoa back in 2007, we started this friendship and relationship with Motasi, which is still going to this day. It's a partnership because we know that our success requires requires the workers to make some sacrifices to come to New Zealand with the courage and bravery to earn some money and to make a difference for themselves and their families. So this is about honouring that commitment. It's about all the partnerships, the Samoan partnership with the government and the communities and the workers.
Since 2007, do you still have people in the first program working for you today?
Yes, we do. Quite a few. And we have many key leaders that have been here for well over 10 years. The leadership from Samoa is the critical thing. Many of the workers develop into very, very good leaders, and in our model, we have around 16 workers per leader, and that leader looks after the workers, ensures they've good pastoral care as well, and supports the discipline and the coordination of the workers. And that's part of having the community involvement here reflected through that leadership all the way to working in New Zealand when they're away from home.
Speaking of discipline, there have been issues and challenges raised since the program started. I mean, from our people here at the top. So what are the common problems faced by our people?
There are actually very few problems, and one of the great things about it is in fact all the communities where the workers work, and you've got to think about Hastings where we have our workers. You know, there's almost 5,000 workers there, and there's only 50,000 Kiwis in Hastings. So in those communities, the boys are very, very well behaved. Sometimes we smile, they're probably a little bit better than the New Zealanders. And then look, the police and everyone would love them. You know, they're such well behaved really. And so you do have the older problem, but that's to be expected, and it's about expectations and discipline. And we want all the boys and women to aspire to be leaders, and that's part of RSE.
And going forward, are you expecting more workers from Falealili?
From Falealili, we could do. At the moment, it depends a little bit on growth. We're growing as a business and have aspirations to keep growing. But we're at a large number at the moment. We certainly won't get any less from Samoa. We think this is a really important partnership here. Our Samoan workers are fantastic. And while you've got fantastic workers, why would you change and go anywhere else?
Because he was educated well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I better go and see if I'm going to get